Hey, I'm Gaz from CanIPhish. In this video, we're going to go over the platform's partner functionality. We'll cover the prerequisites and then we'll jump into a screen share so that you can see the core features in action. But before we get started, let me explain what it means to be a partner. In a nutshell, partnering will give you the ability to use CanIPhish to provide security awareness training and phishing simulations as a managed service to your customers. You'll be able to rapidly spin up customer tenants, allocate licenses as required, and manage them from a single, easy to use interface. Now, let's talk about the prerequisites. To become a CanIPhish partner, you'll need to maintain an enterprise subscription of 100 users or more and have signed our partnership agreement. To help you evaluate the platform, we provide a 14-day free trial that gives you access to everything that our partners have access to. If you want to activate your trial, just reach out to us via the inquiry form on the website. Now, with that out the way, let's take a look at the core partner features in action. We're going to cover white labeling, working with multiple customer tenants, and finally, license allocation. Let's jump in. If you haven't seen it before, this is the CanIPhish platform dashboard. Here you're seeing it in its default mode, complete with CanIPhish branding and resources. If we jump into one of the training modules, you'll notice the CanIPhish URL and branding here too. Now, if we take a look at the learner dashboard, where users log in to complete their training, you'll notice more CanIPhish URLs and branding. This is what a user typically sees without white labeling. Now let's take a look at a white labeled version of the platform. First, you'll notice the different URL. This version has no CanIPhish branding at all. If we jump into one of the training modules, you'll see it features different branding and a white label domain. If we jump into the learner dashboard, no CanIPhish branding, just yours. White labeling even extends to email notifications. So if we jump back into the platform and head to Platform Settings, Notification Settings, and click Configure, you'll see that the notification email that goes out to users is white labeled by default as well. One of the great things about white labeling is that it's a one-time setup. Any subsequent tenants you create automatically can inherit your white labeled configuration. To activate white labeling, head to Platform Settings, Appearance Settings, White Label Configuration, click Configure, and go from there. If you need any assistance, check out our knowledge base, or you can take a look at the walkthrough video that'll guide you every step of the way. Now let's jump into the customer management dashboard. This is where the multi-tenancy magic really happens. This dashboard lets you rapidly create new tenants and switch between them with ease. Each tenant is completely separate, with its own users, campaigns, content, and settings. There are a few neat features here too. For example, you can see your aggregated human risk statistics across all of your tenants at a glance. You can fine-tune your white label settings on a tenant-by-tenant basis, or you can synchronize phishing and training content between tenants. Another feature that you can take advantage of is tenant syncing. In this power user view, you can take settings that you've configured in your master tenant and sync them across to all of your subtenants. This reduces the setup time, and it's great for when you're working with many customers. Adding a new customer is super easy too. First, pick the storage region and then choose the company name. We'll call this NovaCorp. Click Create Tenant. Now this will only take a few seconds, and as you can see, a new tenant called NovaCorp has just been created. You can use the drop-down menu to jump into it. It's as simple as that. Now let's discuss licensing. As a new partner, you'll automatically be upgraded to a single master subscription. Under this exclusive partner billing mode, you purchase one subscription and then you can use an allocation table to assign licenses as needed. The major benefits here include one single consolidated bill, and this makes managing multiple subscriptions a breeze. Bundling all your users into one pool will allow you to also hit your volumetric discounts easier. And finally, when using this billing method, you can ramp up or downsize customers as needed. And this ensures your license utilization is optimized. On the screen, you can see the license allocation table. And I have 500 licenses at my disposal. It's really quite straightforward to use. For instance, we've just created the NovaCorp tenant, and say now this company has 200 users. I'll go ahead, type 200, click Update Licenses, and you can see how my licenses are used from the pool. Now let's say CyberCorp ramps up and wants to add some additional licenses. I'll simply change the number and click Update Licenses. Now, another thing you can do is take away licenses. So, say now my master tenant is going to be reduced to 60 licenses. When I click Update License, the licenses will be added back to my pool. It's a super handy feature and one that comes in very handy for our partners. As a partner, you'll also have access to a 20% discount code. And this is applied automatically to your initial purchase to become a partner, and then it can be used at checkout on any subsequent license upgrades. And that's everything you need to know to hit the ground running as a CanIPhish partner. With powerful tools like white labeling, license allocation, tenant syncing, and discounted pricing, all built on top of an extremely capable platform, it's easy to deliver real value from day one. If you're ready to give it a try, go ahead and create a free account. Then head to the partner page and send us a message using the inquiry form. We'll get you set up with the trial so that you can experience our platform and partner features for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. We look forward to working with you.